Hi, I'm Saige, and I'm a welding student at Southwest Technical College. I really struggled with mental health, and I had a lot of issues both in school and out of school that fed into it, and so being able to work with my hands, they really turned into almost like a saving grace for me, because it was like I could put all my problems outside of the classroom, all the mental health issues, everything, and I could just focus on what I was doing, and I found happiness in that. I had about 5 years of wood shop classes, and then I also did the automotive program, all of which I think were amazing programs. I just fell in love with welding the most because it was like I could put the hood down and then all of my problems disappeared. It was just me and what I was working on. So I did the summer programs, and I actually ended up accidentally getting put into the adult only class. Got sat down, they talked to me, they're like, hey, are you sure you want to be in this class? I was like, this is the only time that works for me and I really want to be here. You're here to do your part for me, so I'm willing to do my part for you. I get in there, I put my hood down and I just work. I have fun, I joke around with the students, I get to know them, I have conversations, I try to get to know the instructors to ask them about their day, or I ask them if when they're cleaning up, can I help with something? I think it's part of it is the respect we have for each other. I think it's so awesome to be when people ask me what I do, I'm like, I'm a welder, and their eyes go huge, and it's just not expected.